guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is gonna be all about self-care. It's very important to take care of yourself, so today I have a lot of stuff to do. But right now I'm kind of late to my nail appointment, so I'm gonna go and do that first and then I'll come back. Okay guys, I got my nails done and they look so cute. They look super clean. Ignore my hair because I'm gonna fix it later. But I haven't gotten this nail color in such a long time. I feel like it fits my skin really well, and even the length of my nails, I've done them super short and they feel super comfortable. I love getting my nails short. Even if I wasn't a makeup artist, I would still get my nails this short. I did my manicure and pedicure the same color. I always get them both the same color because the thing about having red nails, they look super cute in the beginning, but once the nail starts growing like mine did, they look so bad. Every time I wanted to book an appointment, something else came up. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, it's something that I have done twice, getting my microbladed eyebrows removed. Now I did do 2 sessions. I'm gonna do a third one only on my tails. I want my tails to be even shorter than I did the second time I got them removed. What's left is a very sheer tint of my microbladed eyebrows. I have this headband on because I have a bad hair day, a simple black t-shirt, red bag, black jeans, and red shoes. Let's go to get my eyebrows fixed. I've been thinking to get my eyebrows shortened for a long time, so this is perfect. I feel so much more confident this way. The tails are gonna be disappearing more within a week or something. Anyway, now I'm getting ready to go and get my hair fixed. But now we've done the nails, the eyebrows. So as you may know, I used to have jet black hair. By getting rid of my black hair, I've had so many different colors, different shades of brown colors. Sometimes my hair was more red and sometimes it was more orange. I'm gonna retouch my makeup a bit and talk more about it. My friend is here. I'm going out with her before I go and get my hair done. I've had so much fun with this hair color, but I want something different for summer. And since I'm very pale, I feel like a cool brown shade would suit me better than this one. My original hair is very light. It's almost blonde. I changed my mind about it. I don't want my original hair. I know that people say never, but I'm never going back to having black hair. If I do, I'm gonna have the darkest shade of brown. Because first of all, it's so hard to get it removed. A dark brown color, it would be more natural. I feel like it's cleaner that way. Okay, I'm just gonna enhance my eyeliner a bit. But the reason that I did love my black hair so much is because it was an even color. So that's my goal about today. I want my hair to be an even color. Yeah, I'm gonna add a tiny bit more eyeshadow here and then I'll go. Also guys, I need to apply this on my eyebrows 2 to 3 times a day, so I'm gonna apply it one more time now. I applied this in the morning and now I'm applying it again, so when we wash the hair dye it doesn't touch my eyebrows, so I'm applying a ton of it. Okay, my rings, and I'm ready.
Cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight.
I've never tried this makeup before. I love it. Okay, my lip combo is almost completely gone, but the rest of my makeup still looks in place. I've done this makeup look 3 hours ago. I still haven't removed it because I'm still taking some videos. But about my hair, wait, I need to apply some more lipstick. So about my hair, I did go to the hair salon. Now my hair looks so much better. I love how it's looking. It looks super healthy and I did cut it. I had no other choice. It was too damaged. I cut about 1 inch or more, I'm not sure. Now it looks 10 times better. After 2 weeks though, I am going to re-dye it and go a tiny bit darker with my hair color because I feel like this is gonna wash off so quickly and summer's coming around, so I need to find the perfect dye for my hair so when I go swimming my hair color isn't completely gone. I haven't vlogged today because I had so much work to do at home. I had a lot of editing to do and to create some content for my TikTok account. I wanted to try this makeup look for so long. I was curious to see how this makeup look looked with my features. I know this is a normal thing, but I don't go a day without eating a chocolate. And this is the 4th day that I haven't eaten the chocolate. I love eating sweet stuff so much. My sister and mom went to get us some healthy desserts, so I'm very curious to see how those taste. I'm gonna take some more videos and then I'll come back to remove this makeup with you. No, I'm gonna remove it right now because I feel like I've taken a lot of videos and photos. I'm kind of hungry now, so I cannot do anything else. I've made such a big mess while doing this makeup look. I need to clean that before I eat. I feel like what I love most about this makeup look are the lashes. I didn't have those specific lashes, so I made some myself. The only thing I'm going to use to remove this makeup look is my micellar water. As I said, my skin has been very clear lately, so I don't want to use any product that can dry my face too much, cause me acne or anything like that. But first I need to remove these lashes.
You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches.
The lashes made the biggest difference. If I don't do anything to my lashes, I look the same with makeup on. One other reason that I'm using just a micellar water is I shouldn't get my eyebrows wet. I have so much glitter on, so that's gonna be a bit hard to remove. I'm gonna show you guys the desserts I'm going to get when they arrive, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm not going to do anything else for today. I've had this on for 2-3 hours now, and I'm so curious to see how it turns out. I've tried to do them a couple of times. Oh, this is not looking good. This part right here is too dry. Before I untangle it, I'm gonna spray some anti-freeze spray because this makes my hair feel so soft. How is my hair still wet? Let's see how my bangs turned out. Okay, my bangs are the only part of my hair that looks good at the moment. I'm just confused on how it's not dried yet. Anyway, today it is Monday. It is 31 of March. I'm gonna go out later. I'm just finishing off my makeup real quick. It's still a bit early for me to go out, so I'm gonna go and eat some strawberries or something, and then I'll decide what I'm going to wear. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking to wear today. Black bag, sunglasses, this white top. I just got it. This is from Zara. This denim skirt with some blue ballerinas. Also, I fixed my hair a bit. Yes, I did use heat to do so because I was not liking how they looked with the heatless curler, but I did use a ton of heat protector before I did so. Also, guys, I got some new flowers from my room. They're so cute. I love them. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go and get a matcha latte because I ran out of matcha powder. My sister always orders my matcha powder in Berlin. I'm going to meet her next month. Until then, I have no matcha powder. Today we're gonna go to a coffee place to do a little shopping. Hopefully I find some new cute shoes. I haven't been vlogging much because I haven't been doing much, but yesterday we went to the cinema. We watched a new Albanian movie, which was pretty nice. Also, some new coffee places are opened here, and I was just talking to my mom how we always go to the same coffee place. I think we're gonna go and try a new one today. Then we're gonna go grocery shopping. It is finally sunny outside. The trees and the flowers have blossomed. It's very fun to go out now. It was so cold a couple of days ago that I didn't even want to leave my house. Also, now that it's getting warm outside again, we're gonna do a ton of traveling. Since my outfit is pretty basic, should I do something more to my look? Also, guys, I got some new Fino hair products. So far, I'm loving them. Okay, iPhone vlog now. The quality here is so different. Getting the camera was the best thing ever.